Bentonite was originally used only as a detergent. Yellow-green clay, after adding water, can expand into a paste, and later people will all have this property of clay, collectively referred to as bentonite. It can also be pressed into a ball press. Do you know how a bentonite ball press works? The screw-feeding device of bentonite ball press is driven by electromagnetic speed regulating motor, rotated by belt pulley and worm reducer, and the pressed material is forced to press the main feed port. Due to the constant moment characteristic of the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, when the press amount of the screw feeder is equal to the material amount required by the host machine, a constant feeding pressure can be maintained to make the pellet quality stable. If the feeding amount is too large, the current of the feeding device is overloaded. If the feeding amount is too small, the ball will not be formed. Therefore, skilled operation skills are an important condition to ensure the normal work of bentonite ball press.